This is the story of Blondie, a little bird who lost his feathers but never lost his spirit. Blondie was only a year old when we noticed something was wrong. His feathers started falling out first from his head and belly, then spreading across his body. We took him to the vet, but parasites were ruled out and stress was suggested as the cause. Still, we knew something deeper was happening. Blondie became quiet, withdrawn, and seemed to lose his spark. Then, one night, I came across a post about a bird with Psittacine beak and feather disease, or PBF. The symptoms sounded exactly like Blondie's. I spent countless nights researching the disease, reading stories, and searching for answers. Eventually, everything pointed to the same heartbreaking conclusion: Blondie had PBF. There was no cure, and his feathers would never grow back. At first, Blondie was extremely fragile. He could barely move, couldn't fly, and often looked tired and uncomfortable. But I refused to let his condition become the end of his story. I held him close like a baby and slowly helped him discover the world again, and I created soft, safe spaces where he could play close to the ground. We kept him warm with cozy blankets, special lamps, and plenty of love. And slowly, Blondie began coming back to life. He started climbing, exploring, jumping, and making his funny little noises whenever something annoyed him. He became playful and curious again. Because he has no feathers to keep him warm, he gets cold easily, so we make sure he is always comfortable. Sometimes he falls, but I'm always there to catch him. Blondie can't fly, and his body may look different, but his spirit is stronger than ever. He loves music, especially the piano, and will sit quietly listening to slow melodies as if he understands every note. His disease is part of his story, but it doesn't define him. Blondie reminds me every day that beauty isn't about appearance. Even the most fragile body can carry an unbreakable spirit. Before bringing an exotic pet home, always do your research and make sure you're prepared to give them the care, patience, and love they deserve.